Good afternoon and a very warm welcome. Thank you for joining us here on Times Now Live. I'm Pratibha. Let's begin with breaking updates coming in. Rahul Gandhi has written to President Murmu on the Bengal teachers issue. Not one word against ally Mamta Banerjee. He has in fact requested her to urge the government to take necessary steps to ensure that candidates who were selected through fair means are allowed to continue. Now, Rahul Gandhi has written a letter to the president and has sought President Murmu's intervention in the issue. But interestingly, Rahul Gandhi has not made any mention of Mamta Banerjee, not a word being mentioned in that letter against the ally Mamta Banerjee. So Rahul Gandhi in his appeal goes on to say those who have been selected fairly must continue. So he is speaking up for the teachers who have been protesting. And this comes after the severe rebuke that has come in from the Supreme Court as well. But despite that, not a word being mentioned on Mamta Banerjee. Rahul Gandhi is skipping a mention of Mamta Banerjee. My colleague Swati is joining us with the details of the letter that Rahul Gandhi has written to the president.
Yes, absolutely, Pratibha. Rahul Gandhi has written to the president. He shared that on social media platform X as well. This is Rahul Gandhi's post. Here are the letters that have been attached. Rahul Gandhi says, I have written to the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji, seeking her kind intervention in the matter of thousands of qualified school teachers in West Bengal who've lost their jobs following the judiciary's cancellation of the teacher recruitment process. And Rahul Gandhi says he's requested the president to urge the government to take necessary steps to ensure that the candidates who were selected through fair means are allowed to continue. Let me share the letter with you. Here's the letter in which Rahul Gandhi says, and I quote, I hope this letter finds you well. I write to request your intervention into the case of thousands of qualified school teachers in West Bengal who have lost their jobs due to cancellation of the teacher recruitment process by the judiciary. A delegation from the Shikshika Adhikar Manch, a platform for affected teachers, apprised me of the matter and specifically requested me to write to you. A copy of their representation is attached. The Calcutta High Court found serious irregularities in teacher recruitment and declared the entire process null and void. On 3rd April, the Supreme Court upheld High Court judgment. Since the verdict, the teachers as well as staff who stand to be terminated have almost given up hope of any redressal. Both judgments found that some candidates were untainted, selected through fair means, and some tainted, selected through unfair means. Both tainted and untainted teachers have lost their jobs. Any crime committed during recruitment should be condemned and the perpetrators must be brought to justice. However, treating teachers selected through fair means on par with tainted teachers is a serious injustice. And here, while concluding the letter, he says most untainted teachers have served for nearly a decade. Terminating them will force lakhs of students into classrooms without adequate teachers. Their arbitrary termination will destroy their morale and motivation to serve and deprive their families of what is often the sole source of income. Madam, you've served as a teacher yourself. I am sure you understand the enormous human cost of this injustice to the teachers, their families and their students. I request you to kindly consider their request favorably and urge the government to intervene in the matter to ensure that candidates selected through fair means are allowed to continue. And like you were pointing out, Pratibha, through this letter, Rahul Gandhi is urging the president to intervene and has requested the president to urge the government to take necessary measures and hasn't said anything about the Mamata Banerjee government.
Okay, all right. Niyamika is also joining us. Niyamika, it's a tightrope walk that Rahul Gandhi seems to be attempting. He wants to show his support to the 25,000 appointments to the teachers who are protesting after the Supreme Court scrapped their appointments. But interestingly, in the letter that he has written, there is no mention whatsoever of Mamta Banerjee, the ally of the Congress party.
Well, yes, in this particular post, he has made an appeal to the President of India, to Draupadi Murmu, in which he has mentioned that she should intervene into this entire matter because thousands of teachers have lost their jobs, and for that reason, it is a matter of livelihoods, and that is why he has also urged the state government in that particular post which he has made on Facebook. At that particular post, also we have seen that how Rahul Gandhi has made an appeal to the state government as well, that those teachers who were being recruited with a free and fair measure, they should be recruited back after, as we have seen that how the Calcutta High Court had taken a decision which is also being mentioned in this particular letter of Rahul Gandhi, mentioning that all the entire process has been null and void after the irregularities were being found in the recruitment process of the teachers within the state of West Bengal. Now he has appealed to the President of India as well as to the state government to take appropriate measures to ensure that those who were being appointed with the proper manner, ensuring that the free and fair process was being followed during their recruitment. They should be given back their jobs because it is a matter of livelihoods. Thousands of people have been affected due to this decision of the court, and that is why he has made an appeal to the President of India today.
Okay, all right. Let's look at what the Supreme Court had said. The Supreme Court had said manipulations and frauds on a large scale coupled with attempted cover-up dented the selection process beyond repair and partial redemption. The credibility and legitimacy of the selection are denuded. These were the strong words being used by the Supreme Court. Questions being raised on the West Bengal government. Rahul Gandhi now decides to write to the president in this regard, asking her to intervene, and yet makes no statement on Mamata Banerjee. No questions on the West Bengal government. In fact, Mamata Banerjee had also spoken on the issue. Remember, she had also met several of these protesting teachers. Listen in to what the Chief Minister had said.
শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থাকে ভেঙে পড়ার জন্য, ভেঙে ফেলে দেওয়ার জন্য, শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থাকে ভেঙে ফেলার জন্য একটা চক্রান্ত চলছে, একটা পরিকল্পনা চলছে। 9, 10, 11, 12 এর টিচাররা গেটওয়ে অফ দ্য হায়ার এডুকেশন তারা তৈরি করে, তারা অনেকে খাতা দেখছে, তারা অনেকে গোল্ড মেডালিস্ট আছে, তাদের জীবনে ভালো রেজাল্ট করে এসছে, সবাইকে চোর বলে দিচ্ছেন, সবাইকে অযোগ্য বলে দিচ্ছেন। এই বলবার অধিকার আপনাদের দিল কে? আমি সরাসরি চ্যালেঞ্জ করছি। আর এই রায়ের পেছনে কিছু খেলা তো নেই। সেই খেলাটা কে খেলেছেন ভাববেন না আমরা এটাকে ভালোভাবে মেনে নিতে পেরেছি। আপনাদের শোকে আমাদের হৃদয় পাথর হয়ে গেছে। আপনাদের শোকে আমরা মানবিক মানুষ, মনে রাখবেন আমাদের রক্ত যেমন আছে, মাংস যেমন আছে শরীরে, আমাদের হৃদয়ে কিন্তু পাথর নেই। এবং তাই একথা বলার জন্য আমাকে জেলেও ভরে দেওয়া যেতে পারে, কিন্তু আই ডোন্ট কেয়ার।
I don't care. This is what the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had said. In fact, she also said that the government will not accept what the Supreme Court is saying. But there are several teachers who are caught in the mix. They've been protesting as well, Niyamika. The Congress party now has said, and in the India alliance as well, West Bengal had been a sticking point time and again. We had seen that showdown play out. But yet again, we're seeing the top leaders of the Congress party wanting to speak about the teachers who are suffering in West Bengal and wanting to speak about the alleged scam that took place, even with the Supreme Court cracking down, and yet refusing to take Mamata Banerjee's name.
Well, firstly, I would like to mention what is exactly being stated here by Rahul Gandhi, who is the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, in this particular letter, as he stated that any crime committed during the recruitment should be condemned and the perpetrators must be brought to justice. However, treating the teachers selected through fair means on par with the tainted teachers is a serious injustice. So that is the kind of a line which is being taken by the Congress leader and the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as he has stated that in both the judgments of the Calcutta High Court as well as the Supreme Court, it is being clearly mentioned that there were some of the teachers who were recruited after following the fair process, and after, they have also lost their jobs. It is basically an injustice which is being done not just upon those teachers but also upon those students who were being taught by these teachers, and that is the reason why he has asked the President of India to intervene into this entire matter. He has also made an appeal to the state government of West Bengal to take the appropriate measures so that all these teachers who were being recruited by following the fair means shouldn't lost their jobs, because it is a matter of livelihoods. Many of the families are also dependent upon these teachers, as now after this judgment which is being given by the Supreme Court of India, now thousands of teachers have been terminated, which is an injustice which is being done to them, and that is the reason why this request, this appeal is being made by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha today.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details.